If you are having hard time figuring out how much power you will need for your build, then go to PC part picker, click on system builder, and then choose the parts here. Like I'm choosing randomly. There's uh, at CPU AMD Ryzen 5 3600, then a cooler. I'm just choosing random parts, not, and it will show you, PC part will show you how much power you need for your build. Just I will put it plus case. Let's choose case. This is case. So here is the power given to 194 watt. Then I'm just gonna choose a power supply. Any random power supply like Corsair IM219. Just okay. So this is estimated wattage unit 294, and this is the breakdown of wattage. That's all. Thank you for watching.